Morning traders, Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you a daily market bias video for Wednesday, November 26th. It's approximately 5:20 a.m. the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia closed mainly to the high side, with the exception of the Japanese Nikkei exchange, which closed down fractionally. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, all of Europe is pretty much trading to the upside. Now we're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. Currencies in terms of the U.S. dollar, it's trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading lower. There is correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as this broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. And the indices themselves are pointing to an upside open. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all pointing to a higher open. Metals in terms of gold is trading lower. Now we're going to take a look at the economic calendar in terms of news that's on the docket for the U.S. market today. We do have actually quite a bit, more than we've seen in quite some time. And the reason for that is because of the Thanksgiving holiday tomorrow. So a lot of the Thursday news is being I guess pushed up into Wednesday. So what we have is at 8:30 a.m. we have core durable goods orders, unemployment claims, which is again usual and customary for a Thursday. We have core PCE price index, durable goods, personal spending, personal income, and this is all out at 8:30. And 9:45 we have Chicago PMI. 9:55 we have revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectation. These are not considered to be major because they are revised numbers. They are not preliminary numbers. Therefore, they don't have the same weight as the preliminary numbers do. At 10 a.m. we have new home sales. We have pending home sales. At 10:30 we have crude oil inventories, which is usual and customary for Wednesday. But again, at 12 noon we have natural gas storage, which ordinarily would be released on a Thursday. It's being pushed up into Wednesday. All in all, we've got 13 economic reports, most of which are major, with the exception of the University of Michigan numbers. I think pretty much all of them are major, if you will. And all this being said, our bias is to the upside. And the reason why we're suggesting this today is very simply because the markets as of this broadcast appear to be correlated to the upside. Crude oil is trading down, which bodes very well for the indices themselves. Could this change? Absolutely. We have again 13 economic reports, and any one of the major ones could move the markets in our direction. Again, best course of action would be probably wait till after 10 a.m. when all the major news is reported, and then judge market direction accordingly and make a decision as to what direction you wish to go into if trading today. If I don't mention it beforehand, I wish everyone a very happy Thanksgiving. We'll be back on air or back with a new edition on Monday, December 1st. Have a great weekend. Thanks. Take care. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market.